What's up guys, we're back again with another tutorial with Kezi Designs. Today I'll be showing you how to change the background of an image in a very quick way. But I'll be showing you with two tools. One is the object selection tool and the other one will be the quick selection tool. Now mind you, the object selection tool might not be in your older versions of Photoshop like 2017 below, but it can be found in higher versions as well. And this will make your work quite easy and fast. So let's dive into it. First off, we're going to come to the selection tool at the side. We're going to right click here, left click and right click, and you can see the object selection tool, quick selection tool and magic wand. So for today, I'll be showing you how to use these two tools to select what you want. So first of all, let's start with the quick selection tool that we all know. Click on it and we're going to resize the brush by holding alternate. Right click on your mouse and you move to the right to increase the size, or move to the left to reduce the size. So now we're going to move to the right to increase the size, and I'm going to hold left click down and brush over the image, and automatically it picks it. Remember, it doesn't work like this with all images though. Some images are very bad, it might pick the background as well, so you have to do an extra work around cleaning it and picking the right places. So now it's selected. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click, move the feather so that I don't have too much rough edges, and make sure it's smooth. I'm just going to use 0.5. You can use any number you feel depending on the image you have. I'm just going to click on it, OK, and I'm going to Ctrl J to make a duplicate of this. Ctrl J, it's going to make a duplicate. Now it's looking like still the same, right? But if you come to your layer panel here, you can now turn off the background layer, and you can find out that this image now no longer has a background. You can save this as a PNG and use on any other background you like, or you can download the background and apply on the image. So I'm just going to apply with shape tool. I'm just going to use shape as my new background, and it's right over. So we're going to come to the layer tool, layer panel, and drag this background under. Double click and change the color to this, or we can change the color to this, and this is actually fun. This is actually beautiful. I just like all these colors, right? So you can change the color to anyone you prefer. It's up to you, right? So that is one way to do it. And now I want to go to the object selection tool. Now we're back to the original image, so we're going to come to the object selection, come back to the quick selection tool panel, right click, select object selection tool, and I'm going to hold left click down and drag over the image totally and leave it. Automatically it selects everything for you. You don't need to come and start brushing over it, stressing. Right, like I said, it depends on the image quality. So for this one, we're just going to same thing, feather it. I like to feather stuff though, so I get like the best out of it. Even if I use a pen to select, I always like to possibly feather it at the edge most of the times, so that it blends very much with the background. I don't want to start brushing over the edges anymore. So I'm just going to do the same thing I did the first time. Ctrl J and turn off the background layer. Apply the shape layer or any picture you want to add at the background. Take it under the layer for the one you just duplicated and just change the color. And there you have it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want me to show you other ways to crop backgrounds, you can also let me know in the comment section, and I'll get a tutorial for that for you as well. And also, do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Stay awesome, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.